Okay, we had two more to go. Hopefully you watched the first video first, and this is a continuation of it. So they want to know if ABC equals DEF. So ABC is up here, DEF is right here. Let's say ABC equals DEF. So ABC equals DEF. MNO equals PQR. So these two triangles up here are equal, and these two triangles down here are equal. So they want to know if the triangle up here is equal to the triangle down here. No, not necessarily, because these two can be equal and these two can be equal, but nothing up here says this is equal in our problem. So we're going to say false, because these two are separate from these two. So we're going to say false. All right? Okay, and the answer is false. Okay, then give us enough information. Now if we go down here, it says that ABC is equal to DEF. Then it says DEF is equal to MNO. Then it says MNO is equal to PQR. So now they've involved all the triangles, saying these two are equal, and then these two are equal, and then these two are equal. So if this is equal to this, and this is equal to that, and that's equal to that, then this is equal to that. So that one's true. Yes, they're all equal. Okay, so as we scroll, we would see that answer is true, because they're using this one, they're saying this one, this one, this one, then this one. They're involving them all. Okay, or the one up here just said this one and this one as separately, and then this one and this one separately. They didn't add them all in. Okay. This one, see, they did it once, they did it twice, they did it 3 times. So they added at least 3 of the 4 in there. So if 3 of the 4 are equal, then obviously the 4th ones are equal too. Okay. So let's move to this last question really quick. Can you find the blank parts of 2 congruent triangles by aligning them perfectly on top of each other? If you're going to put them both on top of each other, it's corresponding. Okay, so you put them both on top of each other, you stack them, it's corresponding. Okay, corresponding. If you combine it by aligning them perfectly on top of each other, you stack them. You stack them on top of each other, perfectly on top of each other, and it's called corresponding. Okay, if they're perfectly on top of each other. This one, okay, same thing. Can you find the parts of 2 by aligning them perfectly on top of each other, corresponding? Okay, so corresponding, all on top of each other.